Hey, this is Steve from SewingGold.com. These are 1541S tables that were made in the United States. We ran out of the gray tables, so we were sending out some of these white tables. The white tables, which we did not realize, did not have the hole drilled for the thread stand. So Jose's going to drill it for you. We're using a 3/8 inch, or I'm sorry, 3/4 inch spade bit. So he's got 2 fingers. That's what he's showing me. And you won't crack the wood with the spade bit. There we go. I mean, you don't necessarily need a spade bit if you've got a gigantic 3/4 inch bit, which I doubt, but either way, it'd be with a spade bit if you can get one. They're readily available. Okay. So that's drilling the hole. Now also this table, can you flip it over? This table does not have holes that are completely through it for the motor. So the company that I get these from installs these anchors. Okay, so we should have sent you some different bolts so they're shorter like this. Okay, do you have one of the long ones we could show them? I'm going to pause this and grab a long one so I can show you what you don't use. So this is the one that's going to come with the, if we were going to drill completely through, and then it would come through the table just like in the video. Now with this one, we're not going to go through the table because we have these anchors. So we're just going to grab this piece here. This is, I'm just simulating this, so we're not putting the entire motor together. And then you're going to have the rubber pads also. Rubber pads go underneath, right?
No.
Okay. So we grabbed the rubber pads now. Go ahead, give me. We got to show in the video. Pick them up for a second, please. All right, one there, and then this is going to go over the top of it. And let me come back around to Jose. And then he's putting one on the other side. Okay. So he's going to put the lock washer and then the washer on. Sort of hard to see.
Just push it.
Okay.
Same thing. Lock. Same thing.
Oh, and we don't need these.
Okay.
All right, and so then we're going to grab we're going to obviously start screwing these in, and then we're going to use our 14mm wrench and then tighten it down. Okay, so that's the difference in this American-made table compared to that gray table. And yeah, we're not going to be using the nuts, so forget about that, and then forget about this. Okay, I hope that's clear. I apologize. It's early in the morning. We didn't have our coffee yet. Oh, there
It's 13. It's not 14.
It's 13?
Yes.
Oh, it's 13, not 14.
14 is the one.
14's for the big one? Got it. Okay, so 13mm wrench. All right. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thank you.